All right, hey, going handheld today. What's going on YouTube? My name is yada yada yada. You want to know who the winner is of the Rode Videomicro giveaway, and I'm going to announce the winner at the end of this video. So please stay tuned to the end of this video to find out. No fast forwarding, okay guys? Talking to you, Johnny. Now I know the contest ended a week ago and y'all are wondering who won this microphone, and I haven't been able to record a video in the last week. But you guys aren't interested with excuses, you're interested in results. So we're gonna find out who the winner is. First of all, I wanna say thank you to everybody who entered the contest. We had over 1,560 entries, which is amazing. So many of you entered this contest, and you know, I wish you all the best of luck with this. All right, so I've got the microphone right here. Let's find out who the winners are. All right, let's find out who the winners are by clicking winners. All right, we got 2 prizes left, so let's go ahead and draw. We're gonna draw 2 winners. Ready, draw. Looks like our first winner is Alex. Well, this worked out perfectly. We got 1 person from the US and 1 person from an international country. So our first winner is Alex. Oh boy, are you gonna make me pronounce that? Siakalu. Follow me on Twitch. They are from Athens, Greece. Cool. Get some Greek love in here. All right, so Alex was the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card, $25 equivalent. Lease Woods, subscribe. Thank you so much for the subscription. And they are from Hudson, New York. So Lease and Alex, I will be contacting you 2 very shortly. All right, so congratulations to our winners. And if you are one of those people that did fast forward, you went too far. You have to rewind the video a little bit to find out who the winners of the contest were. For those of you that did not win the contest, better luck next time. But not to worry, because there will be another contest coming soon. I've got plenty of stuff to give away, prize packs, products. So be on the lookout for the next giveaway. And while you're at it, why not watch some of my YouTube content? I got some pretty good videos up there. At least I think so. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you slap that like button below and share the video. And while you're at it, why not join the Modern Nation and get subscribed by clicking on that subscribe button below. And hey, when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon inside the button to be notified the moment that I release new videos. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them for me in the comments section below, or why not hit me up on social media? I'd love to hear from you guys. And when you buy products from Amazon, consider using the affiliate links in the video description below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see ya!